Book of Haggai, Chapter 1. In the 2nd year of King Darius, in the 6th month, on the 1st day of the month, came the word of the Lord through the prophet Haggai to Zerubbabel the son of Shealtiel, the governor of Judah, and to Joshua the son of Jozadak the high priest, saying, Thus saith the Lord of hosts, saying, This people say, The time has not yet come, the time when the house of the Lord shall be built. Then came the word of the Lord through the prophet Haggai, saying, Is it time for you to dwell in your covered houses, while this house is deserted? Therefore thus saith the Lord of hosts, Consider your ways. You sow much and collect little. You eat but do not get plenty. You drink but do not get enough. You dress, but no one gets warm, and he who receives a salary receives it in a hollowed-out bag. Thus saith the Lord of hosts, Consider your ways. Go up to the mountain and bring wood and build a house, and I will take pleasure in it, and be glorified, says the Lord. You have waited much, but behold it has come to be little, and this little, when you brought it home, I dispelled with a breath. For what cause? Says the Lord of hosts. Because of my house, which is deserted, while each one of you runs to his own house. Therefore the heavens keep the dew on you, and the earth holds its fruits. And I have sent a drought upon the land, and upon the mountains, and upon the wheat, and upon the wine, and upon the oil, and upon that which the earth hath produced, also upon men, and upon cattle, and upon all the work of the hands. Then Zerubbabel the son of Shealtiel, and Joshua the son of Jozadak the high priest, and all the remnant of the people obeyed the voice of the Lord their God, and the words of the prophet Haggai, as the Lord their God had sent them, and they feared the people before the Lord. Then Haggai, the messenger of the Lord, spoke to the people according to the message of the Lord, saying, I am with you, says the Lord. And the Lord raised up the spirit of Zerubbabel the son of Shealtiel, governor of Judah, and the spirit of Joshua the son of Jozadak, high priest, and the spirit of all the remnant of the people, and they came and did the work in the house of the Lord of hosts their God. On the 24th day of the 6th month, in the 2nd year of King Darius. Chapter 2. On the 21st day of the 7th month came the word of the Lord through the prophet Haggai, saying, Speak now to Zerubbabel the son of Shealtiel, the governor of Judah, and to Joshua the son of Jozadak, the high priest, and to the rest of the people, saying, Who is there among you that, having remained, has seen this house in its first glory? And how do you see it now? Is not this as nothing before your eyes, compared with that? Now, strive, Zerubbabel, says the Lord, and strive, Joshua the son of Jozadak the high priest, and strive, all the people of the earth, says the Lord, and labor. For I am with you, says the Lord of hosts. According to the word of the covenant which I have made with you, when you came out of Egypt, my spirit remains in your midst, do not be afraid. For thus saith the Lord of hosts, Yet again in a little while will I make tremble the heavens and the earth, the sea and the dry land. And I will make all the nations tremble, and precious things shall come from all the nations, and I will fill this house with glory, says the Lord of hosts. Mine is silver, and mine is gold, saith the Lord of hosts. The glory of this last house shall be greater than that of the first, saith the Lord of hosts, and in this place will I give peace, saith the Lord of hosts. On the 24th day of the 9th month, in the 2nd year of Darius, came the word of the Lord through the prophet Haggai, saying, Thus saith the Lord of hosts, Ask now the priests concerning the law, saying, If a man takes holy flesh on the edge of his clothes, and touches with it bread or stew or wine or oil or any other food, will this be sanctified? And the priests said, No. And Haggai said, If anyone who is defiled by contact with the dead body touches any of these things, will it be unclean? And the priests answered, saying, It shall be unclean. Then answered Haggai, saying, Thus is this people, and thus is this nation before me, saith the Lord, and thus is all the work of their hands, and all that they offer unclean there is. Now therefore I beseech you, consider it from this day forth, before stone is cast upon stone in the temple of the Lord. Before these things happened, one came to a pile of grain, 20 measures, and there were only 10. When he came to the mill to take 50, there were only 20. I have wounded you with burning, and with rust, and with hail, in all the work of your hands, and there was not among you who came back to me, says the Lord. Consider, therefore, I beseech you, from this day forth, from the 24th day of the 9th month, from the day when the temple of the Lord was founded, consider these things. Is there still seed in the barn? And the vine, and the fig tree, and the vine, and the olive tree, have not borne fruit. But from this day I will bless you. And the word of the Lord came a second time to Haggai on the 24th day of the month, saying, Speak to Zerubbabel, governor of Judah, saying, I will make the heavens and the earth tremble. And I will overturn the throne of the kingdoms, and destroy the strength of the kingdoms of the Gentiles. And I will overturn the chariots and those who walk in them, and the horses and their horsemen shall fall, each one by the sword of his brother. In that day, saith the Lord of hosts, I will take thee, O Zerubbabel my servant, the son of Shealtiel, saith the Lord, and make thee as a ring to seal. For I have chosen thee, saith the Lord of hosts.